I was just typing like this, and this happened.
One eternity later.
This happened because the key got stuck. So let's disable it. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable or remap a key on your keyboard using Keytweak. First, go to the link given in the description. Download the software from here. Select the file location and save the file. After that, open the file location. And run the file. Then install the file. Now open Keytweak. Select the key that you want to disable. And click Disable. You can remap a key by selecting the key, and then by selecting the new function, and then by clicking Remap. After doing all the changes, click on Apply. Then you will have to reboot your computer. That is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. And before you leave, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more such videos.